We were looking for a new product over here because we were running into a few challenges that we needed solved, and PaySpace was head and shoulders above everything else we looked at, and the company culture is so well aligned to ours that it was a no-brainer really. The reason it actually brought me here to Cape Union Mart in the first place is because we had so many issues with leave. The first few months here hit the ground running, just trying to constantly just put out fires of leave issues. We tried everything we could on the previous system and ran out of options. Eventually we went to market and found a few companies that could actually solve the problems for us. PaySpace just making it that much easier that we could do this all ourselves and we wouldn't need to pay consultants over and over to do things for us. So I'd recommend PaySpace because I found just in the payroll department itself, we've taken down processing time, exporting payroll, ACBs, general ledger, recalculations. If there's no issues and we don't have to do an update over the weekend and do UAT again the next week, we'd have a 4-day processing time, which has come down to something like a half day now. So that already is just a massive saving in the payroll team. They can start focusing on things to improve their environment and processes instead of spending time just running reports.
What I like most about PaySpace is that it's cloud-based. The company is local and it's proudly South African, and that the PaySpace team is a culture fit with the Cape Union Mart organization. PaySpace is a fully cloud application, so that means no more backups or storage of tapes to be managed. Automatic system updates, especially with the tax update, it's a great help. And being fully SaaS, it helps with audits. PaySpace has made a positive impact in that it's definitely cut down the payroll process by at least 4 days a month. There's no downtime, and it's fully mobile, and therefore it's accessible to all our staff in stores as well.